Everyone, good morning, good evening. A lot of people asking me how to buy WSB token, which is Wall Street Bets, launched yesterday on BSC Starter. I'm going to walk you step by step in this video how to buy WSB token on PancakeSwap. Let's dive into it. Before I start, the coins mentioned in the projects mentioned in this video is by no means a financial advice. Please do your own research before you buy any of the crypto content presented in this video. I'm going to use a Brave browser for this purpose. You can use Chrome or Brave. I prefer Brave. Go to metamask.io. Don't worry about the links. I'm going to provide all the links in video description later on. So once you are on MetaMask site, click on download button here, install MetaMask for Brave, click on add to Brave, add extension. It's still working here. Alright, the MetaMask extension been added to Brave browser. So you don't see the fox here, the MetaMask instantly. What you have to do is you have to pin that. Click on this little icon here, click pin. So then you always see this fox here. Then you can effectively manage your assets, open your wallet and swap the tokens. So that step being done, next what we have to do is, you have to create a wallet so that you can hold your assets and as well as swap your assets into your wallet. Get started. I'm going to create a new wallet here. I agree and provide a password which you can remember and check on agreement, create. This step is very important. You never lose this secret backup phrase. You have to save it, store it safely. If you lose this, means you lose your funds. That's as simple as that. Click here to reveal the secret words and note down these secret words, because in the next screen you must be arranging these secret words in order to finish the wallet setup. So click next button, then you have to arrange these: tail, coconut, train, decline. So I'm revealing this mnemonic phrase in the video because I have no intention of using this wallet going forward. So I don't have any problem disclosing this mnemonic phrase. But if you ever do that, if you record any video, if you are using that wallet, I suggest I do not reveal your mnemonic phrase to anybody. Confirm. All done. And I am not planning to swap anything here. Close it. So you have your wallet ready and created. If you click on wallet here, you see this is your wallet, this is your public address. When you transfer funds from one wallet to other wallet, or you want to bring BNB from an exchange to this wallet, this is the address you must be providing. So the next step what we are going to discuss is, then you need a BSC chain setup here. The PancakeSwap or the WSB token is available only on BSC chain, so you have to add that as a custom RPC. So as I mentioned here, choose the custom RPC in the wallet and start adding. When you do that, try to keep these side by side. The reason is, if you open and start doing custom RPC, if you lose focus, you have to do it all over again. So once you choose custom RPC, this will present networks tab. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to add network name, BSC mainnet. Bring this up. You can either use one of these URLs mentioned here. You don't have to do both. it's your choice, either one will work. Then you can use either chain ID as either 56 or hex code 0x38. I'm going to go with the asset is BNB, and the last block explorer option is optional, but anyway we have it here. I'm going to add that too. So then save. So this takes care of setting up your BSC mainnet in your wallet. So you have two chains here. One is Ethereum mainnet chain, which is to hold ERC20 tokens. The another one is BSC mainnet. So that step is successfully done. Now let's move on to acquiring some BNB. Let me bring this to, you can buy BNB in two ways. Either you buy using a decentralized exchange called GeoSwap, Geo Exchange, or you can use Binance.com and transfer the tokens to your MetaMask wallet. Let me walk you through how to buy in Zero Exchange. app.numericalzero.exchange is the URL to use, and then click on buy here, and then let's say I want to invest $500, and here you have to choose BNB. Zero is their proprietary token, exchange token. You have 3 tokens available here. I want to buy BNB, so this is going to show you how much BNB you are going to get for $500. Then BNB address, this BNB address where you want your tokens to be sent once the purchase is successful. So that is your MetaMask address. The address is same across both the chains, either BSC chain or Ethereum chain. The address is same. So but the difference comes when you transfer tokens from exchange. You have to choose the BSC mainnet. Let's say you bought BNB in Binance.com. So if you want to withdraw to your wallet, when you withdraw, it will ask which chain the tokens must be sent to, ERC20 or BEP20. BEP20 is BSC chain. So copy this address. You click here on account. It will show like copy to clipboard. Click, address is copied to clipboard. Paste it here. Once successful purchase, tokens will be sent to your MetaMask wallet. Here give your email ID, and then buy BNB. It will take you to Indacoin. Here you just continue and provide your credit card or debit card details, and the purchase will be successful, and you get your tokens in the wallet. I think there is a lag. It could take 10 minutes until you see your tokens in your wallet. So this is one approach, and another approach is Binance.com. I'm not going to walk you through the entire process of buying in Binance, but if you don't have an account, you create an account here and buy BNB and withdraw BNB tokens to your MetaMask address. The same process. You just copy this address. When you say withdraw on Binance, choose chain as output chain as BEP20 BSC Binance Smart Chain, and then paste your MetaMask wallet address, and you see your BNB in your wallet in again in 10 minutes. So that is the process of buying BNB. Now the last and important step, how to buy or swap your BNB to WSB. So I'm going to bring in my Chrome browser here to 1 second. Alright, Chrome browser, open a new tab, exchange, Pancake. I have cleared the cache. I don't remember the URL. CoinGecko.com. This is always safe and secure. I do not want to type the URL and get scammed. So I always go through CoinGecko, which is a legit way of going to the proper URLs, and PancakeSwap. I'm going to provide this website address in video description as well. Once you are in PancakeSwap, I mean what I want to do is, let me open PancakeSwap in Brave, that way I can effectively show the wallet. So it says connect, click on connect, MetaMask, next, connect. So yep, so you make sure before you connect, you make sure you are on BSC mainnet, not on Ethereum mainnet. You are connected to your wallet. I don't have any BNB in this wallet I just created, so I'm going to show you some simple purchase here. I'm going to buy some BNB tokens. I'm on Avalanche mainnet, sorry. I'm going to switch it to BSC mainnet. I have 0.188 BNB. For the sake of this video, I'm going to buy some WSB using some BNB here. So click on trade, exchange. So now the important part, you need a WSB token address to finish this swapping. I always suggest you to get it from proper sources, otherwise there are a lot of scams in crypto. You go to the official Telegram channel, always that's what I do, and get the token address posted and pinned it somewhere here. Okay, alright, this is here. I mean, you can either copy the contract address, I'll show you two approaches here. Let me copy this contract address, go to PancakeSwap. I have BNB here, and paste the address, and it will load the token for you. You click on add and select this. I have to connect the wallet again. Okay, so it will load the balance here. So I have this much BNB. I can input how much BNB I want to spend for. I'm going to get 139. Let's make it 140, and 050 is the BNB I'm spending. This is one approach. Another approach is you can either directly click on this link provided in WSB Telegram group, click on this here, and it will automatically load the token for you. Continue. And again you have to click on this arrow here, which will, what it does is, I mean, you are swapping BNB to WSB. So again 05, again I want 140, right? Yep. Swap it, confirm swap, and it does that. A pop-up comes in your wallet. All you have to do is just confirm. If you are doing it for first time, there will be an approve step before confirm. So it's a two-step process if you are doing it for very first time. So my transaction is confirmed now, and I have swapped 0.05 BNB for 140 WS. That's all. I mean, it's a very simple process. First time it may be little tricky, but you get there. Good luck everyone. Thank you so much.